A reliable camping stove can turn any outdoor adventure into a memorable experience by making mealtime simple, fast, and enjoyable. Whether you're brewing morning coffee at the campsite or cooking a hearty dinner under the stars, the right stove ensures efficiency and convenience. With options ranging from lightweight backpacking stoves to powerful multi-burner setups, there's something for every camper's needs. In this video, we'll explore the best camping stoves to help you find the perfect companion for your next trip. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the WADEO Windproof Camping Stove. If you want dependable heat in any weather without weighing down your pack, the WADEO Windproof Camping Stove is built for you. You get a triple brass burner, more durable than common stainless steel. Brass resists high heat and corrosion, won't oxidize black over time, and delivers a consistent, stable flame for repeatable cooking results trip after trip. With up to 6,800 watts of power, you cook fast and efficiently. Boil 1 liter of water in under 2 minutes, then dial the flame for simmering without wasting fuel. The windproof design shields the flame to maintain high burn efficiency and stretch your gas supply when conditions turn gusty. Fuel flexibility keeps you ready anywhere. Use isobutane, butane, or 1-pound propane canisters with the appropriate adapter for your setup. A 50 centimeters hose, longer than typical 30 centimeters lines, adds a safer distance between the stove and fuel, improving stability and peace of mind at camp. At just 15.63 ounce, it packs small, rides light, and sets up quickly. Whether you're backpacking, tent camping, or building an emergency kit, you'll appreciate a stove that lights reliably, cooks quickly, and holds up to hard use. Choose the WADEO Windproof Camping Stove for fast boils, fuel savings, and long-term durability, so you can focus on the trail, not your gear. At number 4, OGERY 2-Burner Foldable Camping Stove. If you want a reliable, packable cooker for camp breakfasts and tailgate dinners, the OGERY 2-Burner Foldable Camping Stove delivers. You get a versatile, dual-function griddle with 2 cooking surfaces in one, a textured side for perfect grill marks on steaks, hot dogs, and veggies, and a smooth side for eggs, cheese melts, pancakes, and more. Flip it to match your menu and keep everyone fed without juggling extra cookware. The roomy cooking area holds 2 around 10-inch pans at once, so you can brew coffee while searing bacon or cook a family meal side by side. 2 burners provide up to 10,000 British thermal units total for quick, efficient heating. With push-button ignition, you light up without matches, and adjustable heat controls let you go from a gentle simmer to a strong sear with confidence. Built for the road, the stove folds down to a compact 10.2 by 9 by 3.5 inches and slips into the included carrying bag, making it easy to pack for camping, hiking, or tailgating. The durable stainless steel body sets up in minutes and wipes clean after cooking, so you spend more time relaxing and less time scrubbing. Windproof design helps maintain steady flames in breezy conditions, keeping meals on schedule no matter where you set up. With dependable performance and smart portability, you're ready to cook well wherever your adventures take you. Number 3, we have the Coleman Classic 1-Burner Butane Stove. If you want a stove that combines portability, power, and ease of use, the Coleman Classic 1-Burner Butane Stove is built to deliver. Whether you're heading to a campsite, a picnic, or just need a reliable burner on the go, this compact stove has everything you need for simple outdoor cooking. At just 249 grams, it's lightweight and easy to carry, especially with the included case that keeps everything packed and ready for travel. Despite its small size, it packs a punch with 7,650 British thermal units of cooking power, giving you plenty of heat to boil water, cook meals, or whip up a quick coffee outdoors. The single adjustable burner provides precise temperature control so you can simmer, sauté, or cook at full heat depending on your needs. With its porcelain-coated grate, cleanup is quick and hassle-free, and the rust-proof aluminum burner ensures lasting durability even after repeated use. Stability is also a priority. The large base makes stirring or handling cookware easier without worrying about tipping. And with Insta-Start ignition, you get automatic, matchless lighting every time, making setup fast and stress-free. From road trips to backyard gatherings, the Coleman Classic one-burner butane stove gives you the convenience and reliability you want when cooking outdoors. Compact, powerful, and easy to maintain, it's a must-have addition to your gear. At number 2, Cofiyard 2 Burner Propane Camping Stove. If you want hot, satisfying meals without hauling a full kitchen, this Cofiyard 2-burner propane camping stove keeps your pack light and your menu open. You get a compact, foldable design that slips easily into tight spaces and sets up fast at camp. Fold it down when you're on the move, unfold it when it's time to cook. It's built to travel, whether you're car camping, hiking to a scenic spot, or keeping a reliable stove in your overlanding kit. With 2 burners delivering a combined 20,000 British thermal unit output, you can boil water on one side while simmering a sauce on the other. Make coffee and breakfast at the same time, or cook a main and a side without juggling pots. It's the power and flexibility you need to feed yourself and your crew outdoors. Setup and cleanup stay simple. Unfold, connect your propane, and you're ready to cook. Smooth surfaces wipe down quickly, so you can spend more time relaxing and less time scrubbing. Durable, corrosion-resistant materials handle damp mornings, dusty trails, and changing conditions. Trip after trip, you can count on steady performance and consistent results. If space is limited, meals matter, and reliability is non-negotiable, this portable 2-burner propane stove helps you cook better, faster, and with confidence, wherever the trail leads. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Gas One Propane Double Burner Camp Stove. If you want serious outdoor cooking power without giving up control, you'll appreciate the Gas One Propane Double Burner Camp Stove. 2 high-output burners deliver the heat you need for everything from rapid boils to hard sears, so you can cook for a crowd at camp, tailgates, backyard boils, or as a reliable backup at home. You get precise control with individual heat dials for each burner. Simmer a sauce on one side while you roll a vigorous boil on the other. The adjustable 0 to 5 pounds per square inch high-pressure regulator and steel-braided hose provide durable, consistent fuel delivery and let you fine-tune output from gentle heat to full blast. Built to work hard, the rugged steel frame balances power with stability. Detachable legs make setup fast and transport simple, so you can pack it, store it, and set it up wherever you need a dependable cook station. Safety matters when you're cooking outdoors. The high-quality regulator helps ensure a safer experience by monitoring propane flow and limiting it if irregularities are detected. Pair it with a standard 20-pound propane tank, and you're ready for large pots, griddles, and fryers. When you need range, reliability, and real control, this double burner gives you the confidence to cook your best, whether you're feeding a few friends or the whole crew. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which camping stove you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.